What is the difference between Python arrays and lists? A list in Python is an inbuilt collection of items that can contain elements of multiple data types, which may be either numeric or characterological values, etc. List are the inbuilt data structure of Python. List is an ordered collection supporting negative indexing. A list can be created using open brackets containing data values. Contents of list can be easily merged and copied using Python inbuilt functions. Here you see one example of list. Okay. So, we have a sample list and then we are printing the type and what is the list contents, right, printing that particular list. So, here you can see the details. Then we have array. What is an array? An array is a data structure that holds fixed number of elements and these elements should be homogeneous. What is homogeneous means? Homogeneous means have the same data type. So, the array will contain same data type. In the list it can contain different kind of data types, but array will contain similar type of data. Arrays are not the inbuilt data structures readily available in Python. You must import the array from the array or numpy module. It is also square bracketed, mutable and ordered. So, here you see an example. Okay. We have to import array. Okay. That is what I told you, have to either import from array or numpy. Here we are importing from array. Okay. And then we have to write array dot array and that is what we are writing here. Okay. So, that is the major difference between array and list. List can contain elements of multiple data types, but array will contain only similar data type. Okay. And array is fixed in size, and arrays are not the inbuilt data structure, where list is the inbuilt collection. Okay. So, let us move to the next question. What is the purpose of init function in Python? We will learn about this question in our next video.